One thing that's helpful is to understand what the different phases of a mediation are and what's involved in each phase. Before the parties come together for the mediation session, there'll be an initial telephonic contact. They're usually about 5 to 15 minutes in length. The mediator will ask about whether the parties are still living together, are there any kids involved, and has a summons already been served. The first stage of the mediation session itself is a joint session where the parties will come together and after introductions will summarize on both sides the main issues that they think this mediation needs to be about. The joint meeting will be followed by a series of private meetings between the mediator and each of the parties. Issues to be discussed include division of the joint estate, where the kids are going to live, what contact and visitation is being considered. The benefit of the caucus sessions is that parties can vent their frustrations without being heard by the other party. This enables them to release feelings that have been pent up for a long time and move past those feelings so that they can explore creative solutions to the problem. Once the parties return from the separate sessions, they will come to a joint session where the mediator will review the key issues that arose in the private sessions and attempt to reach agreement on each issue. Once agreement has been reached on each issue, the mediator will put together an agreement that represents the understanding between the parties and ask each of the parties to sign it. So most mediations can be completed and finalized quite quickly. The average mediation takes about 10 hours and costs about 15 to 20,000 depending on the experience of the mediator. This leads to a very cost-effective and prompt resolution of the dispute.